This is a quick demonstration of the Google Drive integration with the Pika case management system. This is something we're going to be rolling out in the next couple weeks to everybody at LSNC, and we'll be rolling out at the same time that we roll out the other integrations for Google Calendar and Gmail. Be sure to take a minute or two to view the other videos. I think you'll find those really interesting. The case at hand is the Google Drive integration. And when we roll this out, what you'll see is a new tab. Instead of a Documents tab in the Pika case record, you'll see a Drive tab, which is illustrated here. And it's called Drive to reinforce the notion that the files you are going to be viewing here and manipulating are files which are ones that you have or someone else has uploaded, and they're stored in Google Drive. And the interface is very straightforward. You're going to find this very easy to use, the same way you can use files in Google Drive. It doesn't offer, we're not going to be offering all the features that are in Google Drive, but it offers a lot more than you have available in the current version of Pika. At the top, you can see there's an option to choose a file and upload files, and that's something you're accustomed to. I'm not going to demonstrate that. But below that, you can see a list of files, and here's the secret sauce. What you're actually looking at are files in Google Drive, which are displayed in Pika. And these are files that are case specific. You're only going to be able to view files which are specific to that particular client's case record. Um, and Otherwise, it works just like Google Drive. So what you can see here in this list of files, there's 7 or 8 of them, whatever, and these are files which are listed and display basically the same way they do in Google Drive. For example, at the top, you can see there's a PDF file and there's a PDF icon to the left, as you would see normally in Google Drive. The file below that is a Word file, and you can see the Word icon on the left. The third file down has an image icon, which tells you that it's a JPEG file or some other type of image file, as is displayed here. And let me show you how this works. If you click on a file, it brings up the Google Drive file viewer, which I'm assuming you're accustomed to from using Google Drive. Watch what happens. I'm clicking on the PDF file, and it brings up the Google Drive document or file viewer. And this is great because you may be in your Pika case record, you see a list of files, and maybe the file wasn't named correctly, or somebody else did it and they did a bad job, or maybe you did it and you can't even understand your own file naming. Hey, no problem. Click on the file. It comes up in the Google Drive file viewer, and you can see actually what the file or document is. It's really great for finding the right file if you're uncertain about what's going on. Here's the other thing that's great is that in the document viewer or file viewer of Google Drive, you have all the standard options that you would have. So if you put your mouse up at the top, you can see like the file name on the left. There's an option to actually print the file if you want to do that. There's a share option. You can click on this and share the file as you would any other file in Google Drive. You can download the file. There's other options here under the for more stuff. One of which is to rename. You can just rename the file directly within Pika without having to open it and download it, whatever. You can do it right there. So if you have a badly named file, you're all set. Yeah, you can zoom. There's a zoom button. You can make things bigger, and there's a detail button. You click on that, you can actually see how big the file is, what type of file it is, when it was created, who it's been shared with, and all those sort of goodies that are also available in Google Drive. Very cool stuff. Now, to get out of this, all you would do is close that particular browser tab, and it brings you back to the Drive tab inside of the Pika case record. Again, we're going to be rolling this out in the next couple weeks, so I hope you guys really like it. I think that will be the case. I think you'll really enjoy it, and it'll give you some additional reasons to empower your life using Google Drive. Thanks for your time.